Hey everyone, what's going on? So I've been researching what's happening in AI right now, and honestly, it's getting absolutely insane. Let me show you the most mind-blowing developments. First up, AI agents. These aren't chatbots anymore. They can browse the web, write code, and run entire businesses on their own. It's completely autonomous. Check out GitHub trending. Every single day, new AI projects are dropping. The pace of open source AI development is just incredible right now. Generative AI has reached a whole new level. Image generators create photorealistic photos that you literally cannot tell from real ones. Humanoid robots are now walking, running, and working in factories. Tesla, Boston Dynamics, they're all making incredible progress. Hugging Face is like the GitHub for AI. Millions of models, all free to use. AI democratization is actually happening right now. Quantum computers just hit major milestones. They're solving problems in seconds that would take regular computers millions of years. AI is now detecting cancer earlier than human doctors. We're talking about catching diseases when they're actually still treatable. This is saving lives. When electric vehicles are dominating, new batteries give 500 miles range. Charging takes just 10 minutes. Gas stations are becoming relics. Self-driving cars are finally mainstream. Waymo and Tesla run robotaxi services in major cities. They're safer than human drivers now. Private space stations are operational. SpaceX launches weekly. Regular people are booking tickets to orbit. Space tourism is real. Python is still king for programming. It powers most AI development. If you're not learning Python, you're missing out big time. That's the state of AI and tech in 2026. It's moving faster than ever. We're living through one of the biggest technological revolutions in history. If you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications. I post new tech content every week. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.